Hey there, crafty friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some fun and creative activities you can enjoy with your kids right at home. We've got the top 13 crafts for 2024 that will spark your kids' imagination and keep them entertained for hours. Let's get started. First up, we have slime making. Kids absolutely love the squishy, stretchy texture of slime. All you need is some glue, baking soda, and contact lens solution. You can even add food coloring and glitter to make it extra special. It's a fantastic sensory activity that's easy and super fun. Look at that stretchy goodness. Remember to keep a towel nearby for any messes. Next, we have homemade Play-Dough. This is another sensory favorite. You can make it with simple ingredients like flour, salt, water, and a bit of oil. Add food coloring for a vibrant twist. The best part? It's non-toxic and safe for little hands. Perfect for little ones to squish, mold, and create. Third on our list is paper plate animals. Grab some paper plates, markers, paint, and a bit of imagination. You can create everything from lions to ladybugs. This craft is great for developing fine motor skills. These adorable creatures are sure to brighten up any room. Number 4 is DIY bird feeders. Using items like pine cones, peanut butter, and birdseed, you can create feeders that attract beautiful birds to your garden. This craft is not only fun but also teaches kids about nature. A wonderful way to connect with the outdoors. Rock painting comes in at number 5. Collect some smooth stones and get creative with paints. You can make colorful designs, animals, or even inspirational messages. This activity is perfect for kids of all ages. These make great garden decorations or gifts. Next, we have pasta jewelry. Using different shapes of pasta, some string, and paint, you can create beautiful necklaces and bracelets. It's a fantastic way for kids to practice their fine motor skills and creativity. Fashionable and fun. At number 7, we have cardboard castles. Use old cardboard boxes, scissors, glue, and paint to create your own royal kingdom. This craft encourages imaginative play and recycling. Your little princes and princesses will love it. Popsicle stick crafts are up next. These versatile sticks can be used to make everything from picture frames to mini houses. Just add some glue, paint, and decorations. Simple materials, endless possibilities. Ninth on our list is egg carton animals. Recycle those old egg cartons into cute critters with some paint and googly eyes. It's an eco-friendly craft that's also super fun. A great way to teach kids about recycling. Next, we have tissue paper art. Tear or cut tissue paper into shapes and glue them onto paper to create colorful, textured masterpieces. It's an easy and mess-free activity. Beautiful and vibrant creations. Coming in at number 11, we have felt puppets. Using felt, glue, and some craft sticks, you can make adorable puppets for storytelling and imaginative play. Perfect for puppet shows and creative fun. Next up, bead crafts. Create jewelry, keychains, or decorations using colorful beads and string. This activity is great for hand-eye coordination and creativity. Endless designs to explore. Last but not least, DIY Kaleidoscope. Using cardboard tubes, reflective paper, and beads, you can create your own kaleidoscope. It's a fascinating project that also teaches kids about light and color. A magical way to see the world. And there you have it, The top 13 crafts to enjoy with kids at home in 2024. These activities are not only fun but also great for learning and creativity. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crafty ideas. Happy crafting! Subscribe for more creative content.